Safe at home. Safe. So check this out, man. Imagine having this for the home hunt. Got my elves right here. Yo comprendo? I gotta get going to work, man. But I'm gonna spend a little bit, I'm gonna invest a little bit of my money in some help. Because sometimes we all need some help. I gotta go to work. My neighbor here is a very good tipper. Took care of them, but I'm gonna give him a couple other things, and I can't be a. Look, my other neighbor did this for me. The Panther Snowcore is in there somewhere, buried. But we gotta dig out the truck, so that's what me and Tabby are do right now. By the way, it's me, it's Johnny Hardcore. Some day in February, I don't know, 26th, 27th, maybe it's even March. Am I even gonna get my car out? My truck out? Oh my God. Can I do it? I need a monster truck like that, man. A monster Jeep. I'm gonna get in this sucker right now. Get this guy out. Look at this snow, watch this. Look how deep this is. Do you even understand? This is definitely more than 2 feet. Okay, here we go. Hua! 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 Look at this, I can't even open my truck. Hey, Tab! Tabby's back, and she's helping. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get this truck out. I hope I can get out. This will be fun. Want to record me doing the truck? You okay? Listen, if you need to take a break, you take a break. Okay? Daughter, the daughter of the core. Tabby, you're super strong, don't worry. All right, let's do this. Oh my God. And you know what the funniest thing is? I have to go to work in this. And they're like, soon. All right, let me just press pause. Let me get this snow off this. Get my gloves. Pause! All right, I'm gonna put this sucker into four-wheel drive. I know this is not a Halloween video, but this is part of the path. This is what we have to do in order to have the path to Snowcore. We have to go to work. Can I get out? Yes, I can. I don't want to block the street, but I'm going to probably see how I'm going to do this. Remember this block on Halloween was completely, whatchamacallit? What's the right word? Bombed. It was bombed with people on Halloween. I don't even, if people come out this block, I got to get out of the way, so I don't know. I could actually wait. Definitely great to have four-wheel drive, man. Especially in this kind of situation. All right, I'm leaving my truck right here. Take a sip of my Avatar coffee. The path of Snowcore. And Tabby Core is back. My daughter. My first kid, man. It's what made me become me. It's what made me become a dad. Well, she made me become a dad. And that's why we have a haunt. Because if I wasn't a dad, I don't think I'd be doing a haunt. You can see the Demogorgon right there. Okay, you can see the homeboys helping. But not for free. It's actually not too cold. Let me get to work. Oh, I'm getting pulled over by the snow patrol. Yeah. Soldiers of the storm. And he's gonna go save his mom. Gotham JK, my Fraber, my drinking partner at 3 o'clock in the morning. When I don't have to worry about walking home or driving home, I go here and I go stumble over there. All right, so anyway, the path of the Snowcore, everybody. Check this out. We do before and after shots. There's the haunted hill, the haunted snow patch, the haunted igloo. There's a lot of freaking snow, man. Dang. But gave the homeboys some extra money, some cheddar, and I got my path. So now it's time to go plow all night long, or save trucks. I don't know yet. We're gonna see what my detail is tonight. If I'm gonna go on a plow, or if I'm gonna go in the wrecker and pull trucks out of precarious situations like I did last night and almost got decapitated by a flying wench hook. But take a look. This was the path to the alien area 808, right? The garage is the arcade, which we did not open this past year because of the wonderful elements of wind. Imagine it snowed during Halloween. And this is the path to the haunted forest, as Jonathan calls it. Very well named. And this Demogorgon still standing tall. I thought the Demogorgon's head was blown off yesterday, but Demogorgon's standing strong, man. Probably just could keep him up the whole year. Makes no sense to take him down now. I do have a Mustang, right? So when you have a convertible, you got to make sure you take off the snow off the top, otherwise the whole thing will cave in. So that's something I made sure I did, even though it's buried. It's not gonna be unburied for quite some time. And this is the shed that I wanted to take back, which is not getting taken back now for another month or so. But all right, time for me to go pay the bills. So everybody from Staten Island, New York, from the path of Snowcore that is now called Snowcore, I'll go walk around. I'll walk the path. Which way should I go? Should I go this way? Look at this situation here. Tabby actually shoveled this out. I know you're looking at like snow, but look at this. How crazy this is. That is snow, boy. This is the most ever that we've gotten here. Now my cats can come out and pee, which is good. Come on, guys, go pee and do your thing. That's pretty cool. Look, we have a path that way too. Good job. Smart. Remember they had the wall over here of 12 footers and 15 footers, right? Ghost of Tom Joad, Cthulhu Watcher. Who's over there? The Phantom. Then over there was War Crow, right? No, Galley Crow. We have Galley Crow. And then Jack Skeleton. There's the workers right now. Look at my step. I forgot I had a step there. That's how shot I am. Here's our whatchamacallit area, right? The path, the entrance to the path. We're gonna put an LED light in here too this year. And you see that light post right here? This awesome light post. Maybe we get that one from Lowe's, the gaslight ghoul, and put it to that light post, right? That'd be cool. Yeah. This is the horror, right? The horror walk of fame. Yeah, we're definitely gonna do some before and afters. Use this video of footage for some fun stuff. Here's the barricades that the cops never took. So I may as well just keep them, right? Makes no sense to give them back now. And then my neighbor actually did this path right here, which is very important. So when you own a house, you have to always shovel the path in front of the house. And then if you want your mail, you have to shovel a path for the mailmen, the mail people, because we have a mail lady. And I'm waiting for some parts for our washing machine, actually for the dryer that crapped out. Let's fix this little thing here. Yeah. All right, buddy. Time for me to go to work. How many times have I said that in the video? Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. But everybody, from the path of Snowcore in Staten Island, New York, Snowmageddon 2026. Everybody check on your neighbors, your older neighbors. Be kind to each other. You know, look out for each other. And let's have an incredible, awesome year. All right, 11/11, this video is over. Make sure you subscribe to all of our channels, Sound Healing Portal, Snowcore Arcade, and subscribe to every channel you see out there, man. Help all our YouTuber people out. Boom.